I don't know who drove that yesterday. It was screaming for depth fluid, in, out, quick, easy money.
So it makes it a little bit more difficult, not too much access for the crane, so.
You gotta be smart about this.
Yeah.
This is the new Strong X bar from Stihl.
Come on, this is the shit, man.
9,000 pounds.
Eight-inch Sigma limestone quarry. We just dominate our area. All right, YouTube, it's Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Good morning. Isaac's quick video yesterday of us giving you a little tour of the new location. 6 crews going out again today. A weird day. We have an abundance of bucket climb work right now. So we're not sending the crane out today, which I'm not a fan of because it's a brand new crane, but we kind of want to get caught up on this bucket climb stuff. So we're going out 2 crews. 1 crew's doing strictly bucket, 1 crew's doing all climb. Andrew, I think, will have the wall portion of his job done tomorrow. Dominic just left with another truck of clean fill for him. So right now the freaking hang up is Alberto's delivery for fence is not here yet, and it's normally here first thing in the morning. So I got to look into that. The guys worked on the temporary shop yesterday for a bit. I had them pull out of their job at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna have them do the same thing today and hopefully finish it up. Our boy Adam here is going to grind stumps all day. David's going out. He's going to one of our really big sites today. Another busy day. So far, so good this week. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, tell your family. I don't even really know what this means, but I always hear people say turn your notification bell on. So turn your notification bell on. I don't know who drove that yesterday, but it was screaming for depth fluid and it was in limp mode, and thank God me and Ivan caught it. And last night we went and got depth fluid. It can't get that low. Like, it literally put the truck in limp mode. It was like bone dry. Can't happen. Oh no, dude, the shop I'm gonna build is gonna be at least 3-4 times the size of that.
I'm just kidding, I'm happy. Like I said, I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller. But.
So Ivan spent a good bit of the day yesterday at the old location helping us slowly get the hell out of there. Today, we have him first half of the day helping us get things organized here, because as we're bringing stuff from the old shop to here, I don't want it to become a mess and get cluttered. So he's gonna spend a couple hours here getting that squared away. Once this is done, it's gonna be an all-out blitz. Yeah. I figure this side over here, Ivan, is where all the parts and shelving will be. And then the right side is where we'll stick like 0 turns.
So where's the electric gonna be?
Well, there's gonna be outlets everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
All right, that's good.
There'll be outlets on this side, but I told Chris, for now, to get all the lighting in, and then outlets where the workbench is for now. I want to take the opportunity of moving to get rid of clutter. You know, freaking last year, listen to this. At the end of the year, I always do like a declutter. I had Adam and Oscar go to the shop for the day. And I pointed, this is basuda, no basuda, you know, throw this away, don't throw this away.
Yeah.
Threw everything away. Dude, he threw away like $3,000 worth of stuff that we needed.
Probably the parts for them that hit salter.
He did.
Yeah.
He threw away.
Yeah.
I like, Adam, if you don't fucking understand me, you gotta tell me. Like, what are you doing, dude? Alberto said to him at one point, Alberto told me, he goes, hey, that's not garbage. Adam said, Jefe said, todo basura. I'm like, no, I never said that. I didn't get to show you guys the outside display yesterday. And if you haven't watched our video from yesterday, go back, watch it. It was all about our new location, just everything, you know, about what we got going on here and how badass it is. But yeah, so this, you know, the outside display is still kind of ongoing progress of, you know, what we're doing. We got 2 different pergola structures, 2 different pavilion structures. different types of vinyl fence, and then we have a bunch of platforms of patios. That's an actual operational gas burning fire pit. In between all the patios, the grass is getting cut out, and it's gonna be river stone or something, really not sure yet. But and there's gonna be really nice landscaping, all incorporated. Once this is 100% complete, I'll do another kind of tour of it to show you guys. But this is a 16 by 16, wood structure pavilion. That is a 12 by 12, that's a vinyl pavilion. And then we got another vinyl pavilion. It's got a cupola up on top with a weather vane. All Cambridge paver products, different vinyl fence. Again, we got a lot to add to this outside display. It's just finding the time to do it. But we will get it done. I want to show you guys another style of fence. This is beautiful, beautiful stuff. Again, this is red cedar. This is called Arlington. We cut all the points on the spindles. Really, really nice. I mean, this is like top-notch, classy fence. A lot of people use this on like higher end homes and stuff like that. I mean, it smells beautiful, it looks beautiful. Once the poster put on it with the caps, I mean, it looks so nice. I'll have to get you guys, a picture or video of once this product is installed. But again, absolutely beautiful. This portion of the building here, I just did the siding in the front just to make it presentable. It's pretty old. Eventually, I'm going to structurally take care of this building because there are some structure issues. And I'm gonna do all new garage doors and make it one big open warehouse where all the cedar, everything can go inside. Still a lot to do. We got the main showroom done quick because that was really important. Yes, we're at Andrew's job. He's got one more layer to go on his wall. We finally got this property line figured out, so Andrew can continue the return on the property. He's got one more layer to go on the wall part that he's completed. We brought in another 3 truckloads of fill. We keep bringing it up. It's gonna be our final elevation. Let's take a walk down here. I'll show you guys the front of the wall. Boom, look how dead straight that wall is. Beautiful job. Sigma 8-inch Cambridge block, absolutely phenomenal. You could see it steps back on every layer. It's got built-in nubs that interlock. I'll show you what the nubs look like. So this is what gives you your step back every time you step it up and what locks it in place. 3 layers of geogrid on this wall. We got our footing drain down at the bottom. That will collect all the water, will daylight out into the hill, but it's looking really good. Andrew, you know what I forgot to tell you? It's okay, but that gutter there and that gutter there are getting extended over to here. We could just have it extend and just go right inside the stone and it could drain down.
Yeah, I put one elbow maybe.
Yeah, this one you can connect that one over there, just have it drain into the stone. Yeah, Andrew will be able to start this side tomorrow and get that wrapped up. He'll have the footing block down and he could get this wall done. And then we got to move up to the patio. Once the patio's done, the whole yard's getting all fenced in. It's going to be a really nice backyard. It's going to be a huge difference. Once it's complete, we'll show you guys a nice video of the transformation. Another good start to a Monday. The weather's supposed to go to shit at the end of the week again. I mean, one day it's 70 and sunshine. It feels amazing. And then get to the end of the week and it's freezing. I'm so sick of this crap. I just want consistency. So. Later on in the video will be a pretty big tree job Isaac will be filming, so keep watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Everything that we need to help our channel grow, that's what we want to do. Best content, period. No matter what the job is, I always make it a point to come back, check it, make sure everything's good. Not that I don't trust the guys, I do. They know the expectations and the standards. I still like to follow up, make sure it's good. This was Alberto's job yesterday. He planted 9 Norway spruces, 6 to 7 feet. Went really smooth, straightforward. If you watch one of our beginning videos, in the back here was all covered in trees. We came in, cleaned that all out, went through it with the Fecon head, and now it's for a local fire department in our town, and they're just trying to block it out, make it look nicer. But yeah, he got all 9 trees planted. It was a smooth, easy job for him. Put topsoil down. Simple. I love jobs like this. I would send Alberto to do jobs like this all day, every day. In, out, one-day jobs, quick, easy money. No complaints here. Another busy morning. Wednesday, 1 tree crew today, 1 big job we're doing out in Catskill. We got all the landscape crews going out. I got David, he's got to go to a plow site and fix some plow damage at the Century House and Clock Tower. That'll probably take him a couple hours. Alberto's fence still hasn't come in yet for the job I messed up on. That's coming in tomorrow, but he is starting a new job today. He should be able to bang it out in 1 day. 6-foot vinyl. We're gonna stop in at Luis's job. I actually didn't make it there at all yesterday, so there should be pretty good progress there. Andrew's moving really good. I'm hopeful that he's gonna finish his retaining wall today. Still haven't finished the temporary shop yet. I've been pulling guys off of jobs at 3 o'clock every day to come here and work on it. We've been working on it till like 6:30, 7 o'clock at night. It's really starting to screw me up because the other shop is all taken apart. Ivan can't do his mechanic work, so we gotta get this done. It's really starting to affect things. I got Dominic running chips today. A lot going on. New locations working out awesome. I mean, with all the trucks and everything here, there's never a point where we feel cluttered. And if we had all this equipment, all these guys at our other location, we would literally be in a traffic jam. So it's working out really good. Not only that, I feel the difference so much in my schedule, not having to go to one spot in the morning, come here in the morning, and different points throughout the afternoon. So far, we're loving it. We got our man Adam here. He's been out grinding stumps all week. When we grind stumps, if everything is local, we'll have him go grind a ton of stumps and then go back and clean. Again, we only do that if it's local. If it's out of the area, he takes both machines with him. We got Chris's team loading up the Kenworth with number 2s. They're gonna start getting their patio base in. A lot going on. Fucking Dominic, come on. This is the shit, man. Like, my guys are so good. They're awesome 90% of the time. And there's 10% they do dumb crap like this. You know, Dominic did a great job yesterday pulling stuff out of the yard, but Dom, my man, you gotta pay attention to stuff like this. If this went in the mulch blower machine, holy shit, it would have not been good. So you really gotta pay attention. This is from, Dominic was cleaning out stuff at the old yard, like different mulch and aggregates we had left over. Gotta pay attention, Dom. That would have been bad news if that went in the mulch blower. So they should be coming in, disconnecting the chippers, dumping the trucks.
Reconnect too.
Well, I mean, whether they reconnect in the morning or the afternoon, it's the same thing. I just don't want the truck sticking way out where landscaper can't. Yeah, I heard Sandy yesterday. She was on the phone with a customer. She was scheduling estimates already into next week because this week was booked up.
Well, I'm hoping I can get out the Catskill just to make sure he's good. It's going to be a little bit of a tricky setup. It's a hard job.
I plan on going out there at some point too. We had a comment on our last video about why we use just a regular grapple, not a rotating grapple. And the honest answer is we had a rotating grapple and the guys just like the regular grapple better. There's no real reason. The one thing that I say is beneficial is the regular grapple can pick up bigger wood than the rotating grapple can. So we do run into a lot of situations with some pretty big beefy wood. It is better for that. That would probably be one of the biggest reasons. We'll give you guys a quick update on the temporary shop. We got the front all framed out. You can see like where the door is gonna be. All this cabling has gotta be ran, and this is pretty time consuming. Running all this cable, it's just additional reinforcement. And it literally goes in every square throughout the entire structure. And we got the back almost all framed out. We're getting organized little by little. We got, I left the spacing off the fence. We have all our plow equipment and stuff like that kind of tucked away, which is nice. I'm really hoping this freaking thing is done today. I'm pulling the guys off early again. So.
Ryan's praise is pretty good.
Yeah, he's fucking busting his ass.
He upgraded your job last time
Yeah,
too.
so if he keeps working like that, I'm gonna let you know. So
Yeah,
make
no,
sure his
I
pay
mean-
is equal to what he's doing.
Yeah,
So
good. That's what I like to hear.
what was that?
That's what I like to hear.
I like to see
Yeah.
because when you're on a job with somebody and they step up their game, we're able to get things done faster, and I don't have to kill myself twice as hard to make sure we get every job done at the end of the day. But
You hear that, Dave? You should be proud of your boy.
Yep.
He's doing good, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep on him, cracking that whip. Whoop-ah! I love how it goes from like complete chaos to just like silence here. No, that's not being used today.
Disconnect that then?
Yeah. It's like 1 minute it's a freaking zoo here, and the next minute it's all They're not taking the chipper, so you could disconnect it. Let's see if Quinn's on time today. He's got 5 minutes to be here. If Quinn's late, comment below of what his punishment should be. I'll let you guys make the decision of what I should do to him if he's late. What is this from?
That's we were supposed to do that yesterday, but the whole job changed, and it took us like, instead of a 2-hour job, it took us like 4.
Is it done?
No, that's a go back.
This is a go back.
Yeah.
So you gotta
But
put.
we were supposed to do it yesterday. We just ran out of time because we finished that one job.
I'll-
at 5. I texted Danny about it. He said, "You want me to keep this, or you're gonna put it back in the truck?"
I want you to keep it. It's your official clipboard.
Oh.
Here, here, look legit. Take this, right? Hold this. Tuck it in your side like there, like that. And now you look legit. All right, go ahead. There goes my dad. Same time every day. Yesterday he was here at 7:29 on the dot as well. Oh, Quinn, you guys don't get to punish him. He's a minute early. You know, that's gonna be an official thing on our YouTube channel. Every time Quinn is late, I'm gonna let you guys comment what I should punish him for, and I will follow through with it. These are some meta glasses that Liza got yesterday. Dad.
What?
These are literally like spy glasses Liza got. Here, put them on real quick. Put them on. Now, what does he got to say?
Hey Meta,
What?
what do you want me to ask you?
What 10 plus 10 is?
Hey Meta, what is 10 plus 10?
Okay. What the
That's not what I meant. They record. They have cameras in them.
Oh, okay.
That's why I got
But-
it, but it also does that.
I told YouTube every time you're late, they get to comment and set your punishment.
Okay.
So it could be anything. I can
I
get.
wasn't late today.
You weren't. You were.
They
You,
say
if they say you got to get the dunk tank, and all the guys take turns hitting the fucking thing, that's what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna rent a dunk tank.
I will
to
rent
dunk me.
a dunk tank.
Okay.
Take these gates off. These two. There's no gates on this job. We gotta take these two gates off, and then it's this right here, and then careful. There's water on it, Alberto. What about the posts? It's just these bottom.
Yeah, just the bottom one.
All right. We got Alberto all loaded for his job for today. I'm gonna go to the job. I'm gonna show him what it entails. It's the jobs that I love. Nice, easy job. It's literally a straight line. Isaac's gonna go to the tree crew today. We got a pretty big job that they're gonna be doing. And then later on, we're gonna go check on Luis's job, possibly Andrew's, we'll see. So we got a full day. I gotta see what I have for estimates. I know Danny's super busy with estimates today. Ivan's got his hands full. Really, really hoping this shop gets complete today. So this fence is all coming out, and this is where the new fence is going. It's starting right over there in front of the lilac. This fence right here actually came from the company that I bought, Long Lumber. I think he said like 27 years ago. They purchased this fence, and it's just now coming down. But it's going right down, stopping here. Nice straight line, nice and easy. It's going uphill, but that's not too bad. Love these jobs. I'll knock on the door, make sure the homeowner's good, everything's good. You know what we gotta get? We gotta get extensions for your forks, so you could, because that machine can lift that fence, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna finish this first,
Yep.
okay? And then this fence right here, we're gonna take it down, okay? And we're gonna get 5x5 pressure treated post, and we're gonna put it back up exactly how it is. We'll get this done first. Once this is done, we'll move on over here. I'll let my father know that you're gonna be picking up 5x5 pressure treated posts so they have the order ready.
Okay.
But focus on this for now, and then we'll move on that. All right, let me know if you need anything. All right, you're gonna go to the tree job?
Yep.
This bad boy right here. But obviously we're on a busy road, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. Not too much access for the crane, so we gotta have two guys doing flags and stop signs
Oh,
the whole time.
Is this your first time?
Well, I got in traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
No, you're gonna go insane really fast.
What?
You're gonna start going insane really fast.
You think?
100%.
Why? You think people are gonna like fucking?
No, you're just gonna like.
I mean, already, dude. I had.
You're gonna lose
stop
your
sign
stand.
here. I was waving people on from person away.
Yeah.
I was like, what else? I had that collision.
I wish you luck.
I'm like, what are you doing?
I'll come back and get an update. You're gonna
All right.
want to shoot yourself.
Well, we have the crane, so worst case scenario,
We're gonna have to take short pieces initially to open it up.
that, or we can,
Most of this can go through the chip. Like,
yeah.
Most
Should
of the
put
leads. but
Raul right up there so that he can get out mid-span on these. We're gonna flat pick all these, I would assume, right?
Yeah, however you guys want to do it, don't matter to me. It's an elm though, so we can almost tip tie it too, so we can get some extra length and, you know, make that run that's there. Or pull the chip truck forward, and we'll just communicate. You'll be on comms or whatever. I'll just pay attention to you, and we'll just get the butt close as we can to the power line. Then I'll let it down, and you can suck the rest of it in.
It's gonna take a while. Gotta be smart about this.
Yeah.
All right, let's get cracking.
All right.
A little bit, pull back, keep it on. Yeah. Yep. You got it.
2 hours in.
What?
2 hours in, how you feeling?
I'm over this, bro.
It's all
My fucking arm hurts.
can't sit.
My one person wanted to go straight. People coming this way, so you don't know if they're gonna fucking take a left-hand turn. And she kept pointing to me like she wanted. I'm like, dude, wait. She was giving me a little fucking attitude. I'm controlling traffic. Like, listen to me.
£9,000. Adam's gonna have fun grinding that.
Got it as low as I could. I don't want to hear anything about it.
This one's kind of soft,
It's
isn't
pretty
it?
soft.
The stump grinder will eat through this, I think.
All right, so Earlier in the week, I was past the court of BGP, biodegradable bar and chain oil, that the fellas picked up at the Tree Expo. I ran it through this saw, put a brand new bar on it, brand new chain. The saw's only got about 70 hours on it. And this is the new Strong X bar from Stihl. This replaces the Rollomatic EX. It's literally meant for heavy duty cutting, all day cutting. I'd like to run a few more through this saw, but initial impressions, I gotta say I really like this stuff. So first of all, it's pourable at negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It maintains viscosity up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't start to burn until about 600. So as long as your saw is sort of sharp, you're never gonna reach those temperatures. By all accounts, with like a little quick Google search, says that this biodegradable oil can preserve your bar for up to twice as long as traditional petroleum base. The reason I like it is it doesn't smell like anything. It actually kind of smells nice. You're not burning toxic fumes. You're not breathing that stuff in all day. It's better for the environment. Some studies say this stuff actually dissolves tree sap. So you can imagine what that'll do for your tools. All in all, 10 out of 10. I'd like to run it some more. I'm thinking about picking some up.
Have you fully gone insane yet?
Dude, I'm over this. I just want to go, bro.
Just pulled up to Chris's job. I didn't make it here at all yesterday. It's starting to take shape. This is where they're gonna start flying. They're really gonna cruise now. They're getting everything all ready to start screeting out for pavers. They got the wall block down, the first tier of columns put up. You come over here, take a look. 8-inch Sigma limestone quarry. Beautiful, beautiful wall block. So at this point, they're gonna run caps along the top of this Sigma block, and then they will, on this large seating wall in between the columns, they're gonna use matrix limestone quarry block. Matrix just a little more decorative than the Sigma, plus the matrix is two-sided where the Sigma is not. So that will be built at seating height. There'll be lights on the inside of the seating wall. There'll be actual column lights with a light switch on the house to turn those on. There'll be lights on the upper platform. There'll be lights in the stairs. If you come over here, I'll show you where the fire pit's going. Fire pit's going right here. You can see we got our riser for the gas line. So they'll be able to put chairs kind of all around here and still have over here for their table, hanging out, whatever. See, you got the stairs coming down here. Beautiful job. We use crushed 2s for our stone base. We use 1As for our screeding, for our leveling. Guys are doing really good. Really good. Impressed with what they got done between yesterday and today. We're gonna go check out Andrew's job after this and see how he's doing. They should be wrapping up that wall today, hopefully. I know I'm not wearing a 7-Zoc shirt today again, but that's okay. I got my LG shirt on. If you ever been to Lake George, New York, comment below. It's one of the best places in the world to me. Definitely the best place upstate New York. But yeah, no, these guys they're gonna start moving. I can't wait to start seeing pavers go down and everything. We'll keep checking in, showing you guys the progress on the project. Still have not got our permit for the big pool we're starting out, the first pool we're doing this year. But lots of great projects to come. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. You don't want to miss out. It's not even May yet. I can't believe what we've already gotten done, and it's not even May, and just in April. And we really just started our season 2 weeks ago. Tree guys are crushing it. We just did one tree crew today because it was a big job, and it was 2 jobs. They were right across the street from each other. And the other thing I gotta say too is every day I'm like 6 crews out. It's actually 7 crews. I gotta show love to my buddy or our guy Adam, who does all the stump grinding. He would make the 7th crew. We're gonna get out, we're gonna show some footage on him, what he does, because what he does is very important. So we wanna make sure we give him the props of what he's getting done. All right, we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna go check on Andrew, see how he's doing. Just got here to Andrew's job. Now, last time I was here, the final height of the wall was done. So that's all done. The whole left side and across the whole back complete. And if you guys been watching, you know we were having problems with the customer telling us where the property line was, and I wasn't doing anything until she said, this is it. This is exactly where it goes. Made her, sign off on it. So they're working on just that final return on the right side. We need about 2 more truckloads to bring in to get the yard to the elevation too that we're doing. So let's go take a look. ¿Qué pasa, Andres? Yep. I can't fix it until I can take it. And I don't want to take it from you guys yet. I actually think Luis is finished with the skid steer. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna bring Luis's here and take this one to the garage. You guys are cruising. You're doing good. What's up, Poppy? Yeah, come on down and check this out. So you can see, I mean, it's a pretty big wall. It's almost 6 feet at the highest point. Tons of stone behind this wall, tons of geogrid, fabric, all our footing drains, both downspouts in the back of the house. We tied into those. The downspouts connect right into the footing drain. I'm not sure where Andrew has the pipe daylighting out of the wall. I'm pretty sure it's on the other side. Once we're done with the wall part of this job, we still have a patio that we're doing up top. There's fencing going, all new fencing going in around the whole yard. Alberto will be doing that. You can see the return on this side over here. Right on the property line. Beautiful, beautiful job these guys have done. And that is the one amazing thing about having a team of guys that have been with you for years and years and years. I show these guys the job, they know the expectations of the quality, and they want to do a good job. I mean, they're passionate about what they do. They love working for the company. Another thing that makes us and who we are as a company is having the team of guys that we have and how incredible they are. Just the overall workmanship that they show. This is going to be the last stop for today, but Andrew will be moving up on the patio. Today's Wednesday. We'll be moving up on the patio, I bet you tomorrow afternoon or Friday morning, but for sure. So you guys aren't going to want to miss out on this project, what's going on here. Isaac did a special video on Tuesday just showing a tour of our new location. Make sure you go back, watch it, like, comment. I've been saying it a lot lately with the tree crew and how great things have been going. Here we are, another week. We still got 2 days left to the week. I don't want to speak too soon, but so far, the first 3 days, again, killing it. Absolutely killing it. I want to keep it going, keep doing what we're doing. The hardscape guys are killing it. The landscape guys are killing it. Alberto's killing it, because that's what Seven Jocks does. We just dominate our area and just do the best work at the most productive level you could possibly do in our industry. Blue collar, landscaping, tree work, all the way. Do not miss out. Subscribe to the channel. We love what we do and we show it in our videos. Keep watching and stay tuned.